Hey everyone, good evening. It's Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Really quick one here on Walmart. This is ticker WMT. Now, as you can see if I zoom out, Walmart has found consistent support in and around this red line. That's the 50-day moving average. Time and time again, the stock gets in and around the 50-day moving average, the buyers hold it up, and it continues to trend higher. Well, here we are, a couple of weeks into January, and what do we have again? We have the stock holding above that 50-day moving average. So we're at a pretty clear level of support here, and I see some pretty clear resistance, downward sloping trend line of resistance. Sellers here, but nice consolidation around the 50-day. So what I want to see from Walmart is a move above that level, coming on volume, and ideally it's able to close above this recent area of resistance right around 93.60. So I would have an alert just under 93.60 on Walmart and look for a strong move above that level, coming on volume, and a close above that zone. Now, this stock typically will consolidate into earnings and pop up after earnings, but earnings on the stock aren't until near the end of February. So if the market does firm up and if the market does continue higher, we may get a sooner than expected rally. So I definitely think you should be watching the price on this stock and looking for a strong close above this recent level of resistance. So that's just one of many stocks we're looking at tonight over at StockMarketMentor.com. If you want to see my full list, I'd love to show you, but you got to click that link. Hopefully, I'll see you on the other side.